Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over the installation process of our SANCTUM heating and cooling ventilation system on the new body Ford F-Series. Today we're installing one of our upholstery kits on a 2016 Ford F-150 Super Crew. We already have the SANCTUM seat ventilation system installed on both front seats. We left the driver's side uncovered to show how the system looks when installed properly. For the seat upholstery, we built this kit in our deluxe leather trim content in single tone black with perforated inserts and matching black stitching. We also added our high flow reticulated backing foam to the inserts to allow for proper airflow. For more information on the specifics of this kit, be sure to check out the pre-selected package in the description below. I'm going to get you back to Eric and he's going to go into further detail on the integration of this system and the special accommodations we've made for the new body F-Series trucks.
Hey guys, Eric here. I wanted to run through some of the installation process on our SANCTUM seat ventilation system. This heating and cooling system is fairly universal and was originally designed to fit most late model vehicles. That said, it's particularly compatible with the new F-Series trucks. The reason for the compatibility is that we're sourcing many of the components for the system from the same Tier 1 supplier that supplies Ford. These are the same components that Ford's using on all of the high-end trucks from the Limited to the Platinum and even the SVT Raptor. All of the factory seats that Ford is using in the new F-Series, even the base model seats with factory cloth, were designed to be compatible with a very similar seat ventilation system. Ford even left the mounting bracket for their factory thermoelectric device on the base seat frame supporting the bottom cushion. That means we can simply screw in the TED unit supplied in the SANCTUM system using that factory Ford bracket. In order to achieve optimal airflow coming through the TED units, we recommend that you cut additional ventilation holes in the surface of the stock air distribution pad. After some testing with the new body F-Series truck seats, we developed a laser cut surface ventilation design specifically for optimizing the airflow coming from the TED. The other upgrade that we made to the SANCTUM seat ventilation system for the F-Series seat specifically is related to the bottom cushion. We could have used the air distribution pad in its stock form as it comes out of the box. However, that would have required that we skip over one of the two horizontal listings that you see here. Rather than do that, we decided to turn it horizontally and modify the pad to fit perfectly inside of the center insert space. We laser marked the new center insert shape onto the air distribution pad and then border stitched it to seal the sides. To make the installation faster and easier, we're now including these modified air distribution pads with all SANCTUM seat ventilation systems sold for the new body F-150 and Super Duty trucks. All right guys, we got this seat ready for upholstery. I'm gonna go ahead and send it back to Luis for the rest of the installation, but we'll be back to show you the finished interior.